మీ బిజినెస్ ఏదైనా మీ ఊర్లో ప్రమోషన్ చేయాలంటే అది సుమన్ టీవీతోనే సాధ్యం. ఇప్పుడే సంప్రదించండి.
Good afternoon to respected principal ma'am and my dear students. As you know, today is the International Youth Day. On the occasion of International Youth Day, we are conducting the debate competition, and this is the best competitions are very benefit to the children. Why? Because these are the good platform to the children to build their self-confidence and also to overcome the stage fear. So we all are here to compete in the debate competition. So I would like to wish everyone all the best and do well in the competition. Thank you.
Good afternoon students, myself Zoya. So welcome to our today's debate competition on the topic homework is beneficial or burden. So these are my brilliant juniors and this is team A and this is team B. So let's start our debate competition from our first speaker, team A.
Hi, good afternoon to one and all. My name is A. Sai Phadu. I am studying in 9th class in Nalanda Olympiad School. I am so glad to be a part of debate competition and on the topic homework is beneficial or burden to the students. I am here to support the homework. Actually, the homework is the task assigned to the students given by the teachers to improve their learning skill. It provides self-learning, logical thinking and creativity and a lot of benefits. And my statement is homework is not a burden to any student. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon to everyone. My name is Suhana. I am from 9th class. I am very happy to be the part of this debate. I am here to oppose the opposite team who support the homework. Before that, I want to pose a question. Is homework necessary for the students?
Everyone, I am Suhana from 7th class from Nalanda Talent School. What she said is wrong. Yes, homework is necessary. Why? Because homework develops self-learning and communication skills and writing skills. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. I am Sonika from 9th class. I am here to oppose my opponents about homework. She said that homework is necessary for students. Yes, it is necessary, but all the students are not capable for their self-learning. Some can do their own homework with their IQ and with their brain, and some cannot do with their because they are poor in studies. What about them? They can't do their homework, right? Then if self-learning is going on, then how about homework is given and they can't do means the homework is burden to the students, right?
Hi, good morning to everyone. My name is Suhana. I am studying in 7th class in Nalanda Olympiad School. Homework is necessary because it develops communication skills and writing skills.
Good afternoon to one and all. My name is A. Sai Phadu. I am studying in 9th class in Nalanda Olympiad School. I am so glad to be a part of the debate on the topic of homework is beneficial or burden to the students. My statement is homework is not a burden to the students because it helps the students to develop the communication skills, the reading skills, writing skills, and many other skills, and creativity, logical thinking, and many other etc. In my vision, the homework is necessary to a student, and it provides the creativity, logical thinking, responsibility, and many others, and it helps the student to develop in self-learning. So asking my opponent why the homework is burden.
Hi, good afternoon to everyone. I'm Videshni from 9th class. I'm very glad to be a part of this debate. As they asked me a question, I want to say that homework is very burden to the children because you say that because of homework, children can do self-learning. But you think the primary children like first class, second class, they are capable for self-learning? No, they are not capable. And if they want to self-learning, why the tuitions are open and the students who are brilliant, average and poor, whatever they can't study because without a guidance. What do you say about that?
Hi, I'm Sana. I'm so happy to be a part of this debate. My point is that homework is a copy paste. There is no creativity. What do you can say?
I won't agree with your point that you are saying the homework is a copy paste, because the teacher has assessed the homework for the aspirants they have to follow, and if they do homeworks, if they have any doubts, next day they will come and ask the teacher for the doubts.
I also agree your point, but the students are feeling very bad and they are very mentally and physically. But the student health is also very bad. That's why they are not feeling homework is good to students.
My name is Swarup. I am studying 7th class in Nalanda Olympiad School. My point is excessive of homework is lacking of interest. What do you say?
My name is Charan. I am studying 7th class in Nalanda Olympiad School. My answer is the point has is incorrect, because every day children getting different subjects on homework. If teachers give homework, and in creative manner, it develop interest in homework. Thank you.
You say that the homework is for creativity, but giving homeworks daily make the children's interest weak, because they won't like to come school daily because of these homeworks, and they feel very burdened because of coming school and they are taking homeworks. What do you say?
No, it is not burden. The children had creativity. It improves their creativity and skills and many other things with the help of homework. So why you say that the children can't come to school with the due to this homework is wrong.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vignesh. I am studying 7th class in Nalanda Talent School. Because of homework, students are not getting to time to play and are not getting to look after their hobbies. What we tell the answer?
I'm Sonika from 9th class. I'm here to support the homework. I'm here to support the homework. He said that homework is burden, but the parents should motivate the children and make them to their time management, so they could be able to do their works in time and they can play outside. In school, we have PT hours and they can refresh their minds at school.
Hi, good afternoon to everyone. My name is Sripranta. I am studying 9th class in Nalanda Talent School. Today I am here to oppose the homework.
Hi, good morning to everyone. My name is Mankitana. I'm studying 7th class in Nalanda Talent School. I'm so happy to be here in part of debate. So my point is, what she said is correct. Creativity and extracurricular activities has been in the school, like martial arts, karate, arts and others. I have some suggestions to the teachers to give us time to spend with family and friends. The suggestions are: do not keep extra classes, to limited homework, to give them extra periods like games, martial arts, etc. in school. In this way, the children get creativity by themselves. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon to everyone. My name is Matri. I'm studying 7th class in Nalanda Olympiad School. I'm so happy to be a part of debate. I want to ask one question that the homework is like a copy paste and there is no any creativity. What do you say?
Hi, good morning to one and all. My name is Joshnavi. I am studying 7th class in Nanda Olympiad School. No, homework is not like a copy paste. The children come to the school to the learn in the all the students, but practice in homework. What you will learn in the school. They again the knowledge, but improve our creativity.
I am Vasundhara ma'am, principal of Nalanda Olympiad School. You did very well. Again, you can do better, and keep it up for your future. You learn something new. This is your first time? Yes, please. You learn something new from this debate competition. Again, we will conduct like these programs for you people. You just improve yourself and try to speak in English. Focus on English. Then will you only speak that things which inside you. Otherwise, you are not able to speak. Got it? So focus on English and vocabulary, words. At least daily you learn 15 words. It will improve your language. It will improve your language. And what did you think about that homework? Is that beneficial or what? What is the debate? Beneficial. It is burden. Okay. It is beneficial. It is burden. Why it is burden?
Because of that, we can't get time for ourselves.
Okay.
Socialize with our family.
Okay. Even for that, physical activity also.
Yeah.
Physical development is lacking. And according to you, homework is beneficial. Why?
Improves the communication skills and many other logical thinking. A lot of benefits.
But something is missing there. The physical development is lacking. You know, for that, from your point of view, what is there for physical?
Stress. A lot of
If we want to remove physical stress, then
limited homework is required. If the limited homework is required, then people remove the stress from their brain.
okay, you think like that. What about you guys? What you said? It is a burden. Come here. Come here. Burden means what type of burden?
Because of homework, we are not getting time for ourselves to socialize with our family, and it is making children's mentally and physically stressed also. If we remove homework, it will be very happy for ourselves.
Okay, now I am asking both of you, what is the conclusion? What is the conclusion of that? Beneficial and burden.
Beneficial.
Oh, beneficial, burden. No conclusion at all?
More and more homework lead to the burden, and less homework lead to the beneficial.
So, according to you, less homework we want. Okay, that is also good.
If there is no homework and there is a revision in school only, then it will be very good for us.
Yeah, revision in school, that is okay, but you have to do at home also.
If there is only 1 or 2 homeworks, it is beneficial. It is then more homework, then it is very burden to us.
Yeah. 1 or 2 homework may be beneficial,
Yeah.
right? Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
So my name is Lavanya. I'm English faculty here. I'm working here as an English faculty. I'm so happy that my students has participated very well in debate competition, and they have performed also very well with their arguments, whether homework is a beneficial or a burden. As a teacher, I don't know what I have to judge. As a teacher, I can't say whether it is a benefit. I can support always benefit, because we are giving homework for benefit, but those who are saying it's a burden, so we will keep it in mind, their points also, and we try to give the less homework and make all the revisions whatever in the school, so that they can get the sufficient time to spend with their family and also with the friends. Thank you.